More news coming in. BJP has attacked Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party over Rahul Gandhi's instigation, is what they claim. BJP spokesperson has posted what Balak Buddhi Rahul Gandhi did yesterday is not surprising, nor is it new. His mother, Sonia Gandhi, would do the same to heckle Prime Minister Vajpayee. And Mr. Modi is no Vajpayee and Rahul isn't Sonia either. Third time failed Rahul Gandhi has reduced himself to a caricature. The BJP has put out those videos you see on your screens right now, indicating that Rahul Gandhi had signalled MPs to go into the well of the House and create ruckus to ensure that the Prime Minister's voice is drowned. But we have a statement now from the BJP who talk about the fact that Rahul Gandhi has reduced himself to a caricature, saying that Rahul Gandhi incited the Sansad siege. Essentially, the BJP says, and I quote them here, what Balak Buddhi Rahul Gandhi did yesterday is neither surprising nor new. His mother Sonia Gandhi would do the same to heckle Prime Minister Vajpayee. But Mr. Modi is no Vajpayee and Rahul isn't Sonia either. Third time failed Rahul Gandhi has reduced himself to a caricature, is what the BJP has said. The spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party putting these details out. The BJP is in fact putting these videos out, indicating that this could be the big talking point, saying that Rahul Gandhi, as the LOP, behaved irresponsibly. Amit Malviya has put this tweet out essentially, saying that Mr. Modi is no Vajpayee and Rahul isn't Sonia either. Third time failed Rahul Gandhi has reduced himself to a caricature. In this video, Rahul Gandhi was seen gesturing to the MPs, asking them to troop into the well of the House. The Balak Buddhi Rahul Gandhi did yesterday is not surprising nor new, referring to the developments from yesterday inside Lok Sabha, where the opposition continuously sloganeered and chanted slogans against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Piyush is in fact getting asked more details on that. Piyush, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, asking the MPs to troop into the well of the House, essentially is an issue that has now been raked up by the BJP, saying that this is nothing but heckling.
Well, certainly various videos are surfaced and now the BJP is claiming here that it was Rahul Gandhi who instigated his fellow colleagues to go on well and protest just before the Prime Minister starts speaking on the motion of thanks to the President's address. And now the Congress party is saying that that the opposition had to come to well because the MPs from Manipur were not allowed to speak. And then we also saw as to how they started chanting slogans inside the parliament, inside the well when Prime Minister was speaking. Remember, the Prime Minister spoke for more than and during that while Prime Minister was speaking, the opposition continued to raise slogans and they continued to say that justice should be done and the Tanashahhi nahi chalegi. Such slogans were being raised by the opposition leaders. After the Prime Minister concluded his speech, we also saw how a motion was passed in which the leaders of government had condemned the behavior of opposition leaders of coming into the well while Prime Minister was speaking. We have to see how the Congress is now further going to escalate today, as Prime Minister is also to speak once again in the Rajya Sabha.
Piyush getting asked those details as far as this entire commotion is concerned. In fact, in these pictures, you can also see Prime Minister Modi offering water to Congress MP Manikam Tagore. We spoke with him earlier.
There is one is Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech also, remember, day before yesterday, it was Prime Minister himself was a heckling issue. He was doing it for 2 times. Amit Shah ji did it for 4 times. Kiran Rijiju ji did it for 3 times. Rajnath Singh ji did it for 2 times. Shivraj Chauhan ji did it for 2 times. Nishikant Dubey did it for more than 7 times. Anurag Thakur did it for 8 times. This is the heckling part when Mr. Gandhi was speaking. And mic was given to them. The latest part is that whenever they rise, the mic goes to them. For here, when Prime Minister raised in that time, LOP, Leader of Opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji asked for mic and he wanted to put one thing that let us allow one MP, that is 2 MPs are there from Manipur, one is from outer, one is from inner, it is between 2 communities in Manipur. Therefore, we should hear one voice of it. One voice yesterday night, the day before yesterday night, 11:30, one MP was given the opportunity to speak. Second MP should have given this time, but 1 minute we should give to him. That was the demand of Leader of Opposition.
Moving on, NEET leak continues to be a flashpoint, a big one in Parliament. After Rahul Gandhi raised concerns about the irregularities in NEET during his first speech as the LOP of Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, during his address in Parliament, assured that probe is intensifying in this matter as well as laws are being implemented against paper leak. Rahul Gandhi has written to Prime Minister Modi, he wrote yesterday, asking for a discussion, a debate on NEET. Meanwhile, the Home Ministry held a meeting with anti-cybercrime body officials who discussed the NEET PG exam, which was postponed. A new date for the medical entrance exam is expected to be announced this week. As per sources, the question paper will be drafted 2 hours before the exam.
Professional exams को आपने commercial exams में बदल दिया है. NEET is not a professional exam. NEET is a commercial exam. NEET में एक स्टूडेंट टॉपर हो सकता है, एक्सेलेंट स्टूडेंट हो सकता है, मगर अगर आप उसके पास पैसा नहीं है मेडिकल कॉलेज में नहीं जा सकता. सिंपल सी बात. कमर्शियल पेपर जो आपने बना रखे हैं, कमर्शियल एग्जाम्स, 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक. और हमने कहा, स्पीकर सर, हमने कहा कि 1 दिन का डिस्कशन अलाउ कर दीजिए. हम आपके साथ खड़े होकर इसको रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं. इंस्टीट्यूशनल फेलियर है, हम आपकी मदद करना चाहते हैं, रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं. सरकार कहती है नहीं, डिस्कशन नहीं होगा.
नीट के मामले में पूरे देश में लगातार गिरफ्तारियां की जा रही है. केंद्र सरकार पहले ही एक कड़ा कानून बना चुकी है. परीक्षा कराने वाले पूरे सिस्टम को पुख्ता करने के लिए जरूरी कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं.
चर्चा से भागता कौन है? मुद्दा उठाओ, सुनने की, सत्य सुनने की ताकत नहीं है, भाग जाना ये उनकी तरीका है. ये एक इस प्रकार की पार्टी जो ऐसे ही तो नीचे जा रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ये उम्मीद कांग्रेस पार्टी से नहीं था कि उनकी व्यवहार इतनी ओछी होगी.
Already heard, in fact, from the Education Mantri as well. Just yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had written to the Prime Minister asking for a debate on NEET. The Prime Minister did talk about this issue yesterday when he said a detailed probe is being carried out and that there is going to be justice in this case.